Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be reviewing the Manuka honey and yogurt hairline from SheaMoisture. I did realise I didn't actually really do a talk through on the product, so I'll tell you how I felt about it during this video, and it will be more of a talk over. So if you want to see how my hair was before and after, just stay tuned. So I am going to be using this line. This is the SheaMoisture Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate and repair conditioner with Vera and baobab oil for dry and brittle hair, which sounds like it's great for winter, especially with this effed up weather. So I'm going to shampoo my hair, condition and deep condition. So the first thing I used obviously was the shampoo, and I just want to quickly point out that I actually filmed this all the way back in December, so my hair was very damaged. One thing I was really shocked about was how moisturizing this shampoo was. Usually I'm used to shampoos feeling just a little bit more dry, but this is probably one of the most moisturizing shampoos I have, and it's to the point where if I used it more than once a week, which obviously I don't do, but if I did, I don't think I would feel guilty because it doesn't feel like a harsh shampoo. It's extremely moisturizing, and honestly it's become one of my favorite shampoos. I feel like especially in the summer this shampoo will be really good because, you know, when you just want to refresh your hair, it's such a light shampoo that it's not going to strip out your hair at all. But then also I like it for the winter because obviously harsh hair, you don't want that, so it's just great for all year round, to be honest. The next product I used was the conditioner, and one thing I will say is that I loved how soft it made my hair. I did leave this product on for 5 minutes before washing it out, and I did detangle using this product. One thing I will say, it is good for detangling, but it's not the best conditioner I have used for detangling. I think the coconut and hibiscus line is a lot better. However, this does do a pretty decent job. But one thing I did like was that it made my hair really shiny, which is something I don't always get with a lot of conditioners. So if you're looking for a conditioner that will help with really dry hair and you just need a nice shine, this is honestly a great conditioner.
Feel the vibe, it's the Lagos vibe. Oh yeah, watch a Shampoo, my way to your hearty, on my way to your hearty. Hey, can you feel the vibe? It's the Lagos vibe. Oh yeah, watch a Shampoo, my way to your
hearty. So the next thing I did was deep condition my hair. And one thing I will say that really shocked me was how moisturizing it was. And the other thing that shocked me was how much smaller it is compared to all the other SheaMoisture deep conditioners. This has honestly made it to one of my top deep conditioners. It is super moisturizing, and it's good. Every time I use this deep conditioner, I actually like to leave a bit in because of how moisturizing it is. But what I like is that it actually revives my curls. My hair was super damaged, so when you see it, it might not look anything special, but based on how damaged I know my hair was, it did help. So I strongly recommend it. But what I will say is that if you have a lot of hair like me, it's not going to last very long. That's the honest truth. So that's why I always like to leave a bit in. Honestly, it brings your hair to life, and again, it is super moisturizing. So if you have damaged hair, or if you have really dry hair and damaged hair, this deep conditioner honestly is one of the best I've used from the SheaMoisture line, period. So obviously I've taken out the deep conditioner and my hair was super soft, really moisturized, but it didn't feel limp, it felt healthy. So the next thing I did was using the leave-in conditioner, which I didn't show at the beginning because this is actually an old product and I've used it for ages. And one thing I will say about this is great if you have protective style like braids, or you want to use it to refresh your hair. But for my hair at this point, when it was wet, it wasn't thick enough for me personally. I think if you have thin hair, it would be fine, but for thick hair, it's not the best. I think it's great for when you have your hair done and you just need to refresh it. So I did end up going in with the actual conditioner, because what I like about SheaMoisture conditioners is that you can use them as leave-ins as well, and it provided the moisture that my hair needed. As you can see, I really split my hair in sections. Obviously, I do it with my hands. I'm very lazy and I don't get tools like clips or whatever. So that's just what I did. Especially when your hair is damaged like this, you really need to make sure you get moisture into every single strand. Unfortunately, I didn't see any other products from the line in terms of like curling creams or things like that. I don't think they have it here, or if they do, it's not out in England because everything comes out slow in England. So obviously I just had to leave my hair here, but overall I really did like the products. I felt like they really moisturized my hair really well, and if you have damaged hair, dry hair, I think this is going to be perfect for you. Oh, and also when it's winter. Next, all I do is just use my hair oil. I always use this, but also particularly at this point I did use it because one, my hair was shedding, and this helps with shedding hair, and also I think I had some dandruff, and that eliminates dandruff in 24 hours, and also I am transitioning, so I need my hair to grow quick, and it did help. It has been helping my hair grow really quick, so my transitioning process could be a lot shorter because Lord knows I am not doing the big chop. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.